Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to make a drop down list in Google Sheets. As you can see in the screen here, I have a days selection drop down. By clicking on this arrow, I can select different days and the selected value will go here in the cell. Similarly, in this range, I have drop down lists to select the work progress status. So here I'll show you how we can create this type of drop down list in Google Sheets. Let me create a date selection drop down here in this cell, and to create the drop down list you can directly add the values in the drop down, or you can prepare the list somewhere in your sheet then link that list. Like if you see here in the sheet number 2, I have already prepared the days list from Sunday to Saturday. Let's go to sheet 1, click on the cell, click on data tab, then data validation, click on add rule. Click on this drop down from range option because I have already prepared the list in another location of the sheet. So select this option, then go to sheet number 2, click on this box and select the list values, then click on OK, and here you see these values are added here in the list. If you want to change the color of these values, you can go here in the color option and take different colors for every days. If you scroll down here, you will see other settings by clicking on the advanced option, where you can choose what to do if the data is invalid, like show a warning or reject the input. Below this you can select the type of the drop down, like the chip style, arrow style or plain text. Click on the done button, go to sheet number 1, and here you see the date selection drop down is created. You can now pick up any day by clicking on it. Similarly, to create the drop down for work progress status, click on the cell, then click on add rule. In this case, I will directly assign the values by editing these options. Simply remove this option 1 and make it not started. In the option 2, let me put in progress. If you want to add more items, click on add another item and put here the value completed. If you want to change the color, you can go here and select the color. Let's scroll down and go to the advanced option, and this time I'll take this arrow style, then click on the done button. Here you see the drop down is created. Close this data validation rules, and here if you click, the drop down is created from which you can select the value. If you want to copy and paste this drop down list in other cells, you can simply copy this by pressing Ctrl C, select the range where you want to paste the drop down, right click on mouse, go to paste special, then click on this data validation only option, and here you see the drop down list is copied. So in this way you can create the drop down list in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.